probably somebody will come and tell me something and exactly the same thing.
Premonition, intuition. Intuition basically is of guidance. It guides you. This is more like premonition, like you know beforehand what is going to happen. As we
But
say
you
very
don't
often.
actually know. When it happens, then you realize.
Then you realize, oh, this is what I
exactly.
correct.
So that's
Yes.
premonition, right?
Yeah, premonition.
Cyrus
Yes.
uncle, you had said that if someone does something, then just forget about it and go away. But if that person doesn't let you forget, then
If that person doesn't let you forget, would mean what?
Come here.
How can the person
Come
come
here.
into your mind, into your bheja, and say, don't forget?
What Frozen was
no, but if they keep doing it or they keep reminding
So you keep forgetting.
But how can I keep forgetting?
Just like how they are.
Just ignore mama.
See the
I
point.
thought not you.
See, generally, apart from the physical bashing and all that, nobody can do anything to you unless you allow yourself to do it. Allow it. Only when you are allowing it can happen. Supposing somebody keeps on reminding, keeps on saying something and you just ignore it, they cannot do it. Only when you give a consent, okay, somebody has said something and so I must also think in that direction or behave in that way, then that means they have said it, but ultimately you have permitted yourself to think in that way. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So irrespective of how many times, how many people do how many things, it will still not affect you if you are strong enough to have your own viewpoint about that particular thing. Are you getting the
Yeah.
answer? So you can't say that, oh, you are forgetting it, you have forgotten that episode, but somebody is reminding you. So if they remind you 100 times, you forget 100 times.
I have one more question about those mentalists.
About
Mentalists.
maintenance.
People who can read your mind.
Mentalist, the ones who read.
Mental.
Mentalists.
These guys will
They
know.
are type of people who can read your mind.
These two are like.
And some of them can, I had read it somewhere, some of them can see spirits and all that.
That is psychic, my dear.
Their audience.
Mentalist to
So
psychic.
the people who
Their
can see
voice.
spirits and all, how do they get those powers to see?
It's an occult power
Acquired over.
over many
It's that God
lifetimes.
speaks. For many lifetimes, you do something very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Slowly, you develop certain occult faculties, like you can hear, you can speak, and all that stuff.
Siddhis.
Yeah. Out of only good
Like
living,
Siddhis.
you get it.
It is a gift can be given by the master or you acquired it through lifetime practice.
Of being good.
But that has nothing to do with spirituality.
No, not at all. Just because
Now
you
I
read
can
something.
see a spirit sitting, can you see next to you?
So
And
if
I don't see.
she's jealous.
So that also there is a thing.
But it has nothing to do with
Clairvoyance.
spirituality.
So if
you can
I
drop
wanted to,
if you misuse those powers, then you can drop very drastically.
Not these powers, these are powers of these are child's play. Only on the fourth
Siddhis.
plane of consciousness.
Fourth or fifth plane.
Fourth.
of consciousness.
Fifth plane there is no power.
so if I want to get those powers, what do I do?
That's the thing. That's
Just
what
say
my
E-man.
question.
What will you do with those powers?
She wants to communicate.
Yeah.
No?
Just for fun. Yeah.
Just for fun, these powers are not given.
Or I'll use it to help people or
Like what? Okay, tell me, what is the help?
I can use it.
नहीं, गलत.
Suppose someone-
I'll be more specific in what I know what we had discussed last time. You know how the Ahuja board is? So on those terms she's talking, like how can she get
No, it's on.
But Baba never advocated running after such powers. If it comes to you automatically as a gift or something, it just comes. Then you can take it as gifted to you or your own self, you have cultivated something, so now it has come to you. But by and large, Baba has never given any importance to all these things. Why? Because this can actually hinder you in your progress. In your spiritual progress, it can hinder you. It will entrap you. It will
That's the word Baba used. Can trap you.
So why get into, why
Delay.
in
Reaching
in
power.
that Hindi, you know, जैसे जिस गली में मेरा क्या
जिस गली में घर है उस गली में जाना
उस
ही
गली में
क्या?
जाना means if I am not expected to get into a particular lane because there's nothing in it for me, then why should I enter that?
जिस गली में मेरा घर ही नहीं है.
Why
Like
should
my
I?
home is not there. Why
Our
should I
our
go
job
there?
is to try as much as possible to know what Baba expects out of us, wants out of us, and try to do that, rather than getting into all that gully, which you know, that can spoil our life, that can delay our
Reaching
journey
power.
reaching Him. Because it is very enchanting. If today I get some powers, you know, then
Very
I can easily
Temptation.
misuse it. There's a lot of temptation.
Baba said this physical life is not so enchanting as the involutionary journey is so enchanting. You can get trapped over there. This is not so much a trap.
You get
as-
caught up,
Yeah.
and then you think, oh, I am very happy, complacent about it. You know, I am very happy with this. You play around with the games, and you don't move forward. So he has never ever, not only not advocated, but he has sternly warned against using those powers.
But at some point, if he feels that
Yeah.
she can
Yeah,
be of help to other
Yes.
people, he will himself give it. She doesn't
Yeah.
have to look for it. Right?
yeah, you don't have to look
It'll
for
come
it.
and she may
If
not
you are
even want
eligible
it.
for those powers, you'll get it. And if it is a gift, then you can not misuse it.
Another
You'll
one
only
was the
misuse
same
it.
powers. Join the
Even this intention of yours to help someone